If you notice a stain on your deck, there's an easy way to clean this up and get your deck looking fresh again. Be sure to act quickly so the stain doesn't have a chance to set in.
For common stains like oil, grease, wine, dirt, and mess left from birds, we recommend cleaning it up as much as possible with a soft broom first. Then apply a mixture of detergent with warm water or sugar soap for a better result. Scrub the area with a sponge, then use a hard bristled broom to get rid of the rest. If the stain is extra tough, you can use a high pressure gurney. Just make sure you're at least 30 centimeters away from the deck when spraying, or you could cause damage.
For rust, we recommend using oxalic acid mixed with warm water instead of sugar soap. For extra heavy grease and oil stains, check with your local hardware store for sodium carbonate solutions specific for that stain type. You should try to dry sweep your deck weekly and sponge wash your deck periodically throughout the year with a mixture of household detergent and warm water. We also recommend using barbecue mats for extra protection.